welcome to Sibulan Airport. Waiting for our boarding. Wala pa yung plane. 10 a.m. flight. It'll be here soon. Let's go. Bye for now, Dumaguete. We're going back to Manila, Manila, Manila. I keep coming back to Manila. Si bro, si Aina dahil may hatod di ay. Mao po dahil nakita na bro, kita na sa Aina. Regards sa Aina de la Peña family, shout out. Bye Dumaguete. Yay, let's go. Bye-bye Dumaguete. Miss you na agad eh. Miss ang Dumaguete guys. I miss Dumaguete. Swimming na po din. Paano tayo swimming ah?
Is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly
Ibang bag, itaas ni mo.
Feet arm L2. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Excuse me. Can you complete?
Please arm L2. We are now ready to depart
for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Emilio Jan Ford or Matam IV, ably assisted by First Officer Miguel Luis de la Cruz. Our flying time is approximately an hour and 5 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
International Airport in Manila. We will proceed to Terminal B for your proper and safe disembarkation. Time check now for your convenience. It is 45 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning, and we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 25 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin, matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng balikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew Captain Ormatam and First Officer De La Cruz, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. May we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po naming pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat po.
We have just arrived. Captain, the bird has landed. Let's go. Let's go home. Welcome to arrival area.
ventilator nila o the elevator.
Anong